Hi, I'm Al Krakowski with Unknown Media, and today I'm going to show you how to use a protractor to draw angles. Let's get started. So what you're going to want to do is take your protractor, lay it flat on the paper, and at the bottom, draw a straight line across. And this point here is going to be your vertex. So we'll put a little dot there. Then we're going to line the hole right here with your vertex. And make sure this line lays flat with the line you previously drew. Then pick an angle. We're going to do 60-degree angle. So right here I'm going to put a dot, and on top I'm going to put another dot. Then we're just going to connect the lines to your vertex. Straight down. And on the inside here, we'll draw a curve and write 60 degrees. And that's it. It's really simple. That's how you use a protractor to draw angles. Thank you for watching, and keep on drawing.